The altcoin bull market is going to be crazy. Alt season is going to be probably one for the books. And not just that, but right now we just had the first ever golden cross. Not on Bitcoin though. I'm going to get into that. Let me give you some cool facts right now. There's been $470 million of net inflows just yesterday. That totals $3 billion in just 7 working days. It's crazy to be bearish here. I don't know why people are actually selling at 52,000. I mean, what are they trying to do? We are in a full-on bull market, and we are getting close to all-time highs, in my opinion. I think we're going to hit that before the halving, as I said over and over and over again. Okay, so today's Bitcoin price is 97% higher than all prior days. So we are in the 3% range right now. And that is probably going to increase much, much more as the bull market matures. It's going to mature very fast, and you're going to see the prices, you know those flat lines of where the price kind of ranges or whatever. You're going to see those get smaller and smaller as the bull market matures. That's just how bull markets work. And it's really cool, especially when we hit kind of like a 50 to 60% Bitcoin dominance, then you're going to see alts go crazy. Now, Creddy Bull, I agree with this guy 100%. This guy's been spot on Twitter. He says the pullback to 38,500 was our last major dip before all-time highs. I don't think you should expect anything of similar magnitude anytime soon. Everything is pointing to a continued aggressive upside imminently. Bitcoin dominance breakout, and the market structure is kicking butt right now. It's very, very bullish. Let's go over to the golden cross right now. This is a first ever for the total market, the total crypto market, and this is the first ever weekly golden cross. You might be asking, what is a golden cross? It's pretty much when the 50-day moving average goes higher than the 200 moving day average, and this is a first for the entire crypto market. And what you should expect now is Bitcoin to take precedence, right? It's kind of like a black hole, and it's sucking all this liquidity into it right now. What happens is you're going to hit all-time highs, and then we're going to experience a crazy bull market in the altcoin space. And that's when you get to see a true alt season. If you think you've seen an alt season right now, you haven't. You've seen it go, some of our coins in our CT club, which if you want to check it out, learningcrypto.com. We've gone into many micro caps that turn into large caps, like INJ at $3, and now it's at almost $40, PAL, and many others. And so what happens there is, like, I've never seen a bull market start with pretty much the micro caps. This is a first on that, and I expect them to run crazy. All right, especially when Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin reaches about a 55 to 60% dominance, that's when it will top, in my opinion. And then that is when it starts going down, and liquidity floods into the altcoins, and it's going to be really exciting. Anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.